In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A35, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen view. Begin by selecting an app to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then click on the icon of it at the top and select Open in split screen view. Now tap on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. To go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!